Hi friends, Susanna here with the Strong Bones Challenge. Squeeze it or lose it. And I'm talking about your butt. So this month in the Strong Bones Challenge, we'll be doing exercises to strengthen glutes, hips, and core. And the reason for this is because, as you know, as we age, we naturally lose muscle strength and bone strength. But for folks who are sedentary, who sit a lot, it's so much worse. And we need to start exercising and strengthening, especially our butt muscles now, so that when we get older, we will be able to do all of our daily activities with ease and avoid pain and injury. So it's never too late to get started, and let's do this. So Ellie's here today. Ellie, say hi to the people. Can you guys see Ellie? Okay, so we'll start with the hip exercises, and then after that we'll move into sit to stand, which is my favorite. Okay, but let's start with hip strengthening. Today, if you'll use a side of a chair or the side of your kitchen counter just for a little bit of support, that's optional. Come to standing on 2 feet. Rooting down. I like to feel nice and stable, engage the muscles of your thighs, relax your shoulders, and have really good posture. Root down in your standing leg, the one closest to the chair, and then out to the side you go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's hold it out. Squeeze your glute. Engage the muscles. Great, and then lower. Then turn around, face your support if you like. Rooting down once again. We'll use the same leg and go back. So an extension behind you with that leg for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Let's hold for the burn. Squeeze it. If you don't engage the muscles regularly, they get sad. They get soft and they can't do their job. Let's relax. And then in between sides, march. We're doing this challenge in the month of March. And so let's march. Marching is great. It's great for glutes. It's great for quads. And if you do a little stomping, it's great for bones. So I'm stomping away here in this march. March madness. Terrific. Now we'll do the other side for our strengthening moves for the hips. Rooting down in the standing leg, take the outside leg to the side. So it's a hip adduction and abduction for those inner thigh muscles, outer thigh muscles, and the hip joint. Okay, so that's about 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We'll hold it out for the burn. Hold and hold. Breathe. You can always make this more challenging by releasing your hands and allow your brain the opportunity to tell your standing leg it's really got to hold you up there for a moment. I love to balance and challenge my brain to stay balanced whenever I have an opportunity. Here we are. And release. Good. That really works the standing leg. Good. Now we've done both sides. March it out again. March, march, march. Very good to do. Lift it high, lift it high. Use your breath. See that your core muscles are engaged when you do this. Your core supports your back. You need your glutes to do this. Up and down. Great. And now for my favorite exercise, because it will work your glutes, legs, and all the core muscles within. Sit to stand. As you know, sit to stands can be on a continuum. You can do them as butt taps to a wall. You can do them as squats holding a weight or not. And you could even do them from the floor to standing. So that's a progression. But the basic sit to stand is an excellent exercise, and there's really no excuse, no matter who you are or how old you are. If you can stand, we know you can sit. If you can stand, you can do this absolutely fantastic glute strengthening exercise. Right, Ellie? Yeah, come over here. All right, we're gonna sit to stand. Let me tell Ellie to sit. Come here. Ellie, sit. Sit. Come here. Show everybody how you sit. Ellie, sit. Ellie, sit. She is not following my orders. Screw her. All right. We'll start by sitting with really good posture, feet on the ground, shoulders relaxed. You can cross your heart if you like, and then press down on your feet, stand up, and squeeze your glutes. And remember, when you sit down, you're hinging at your hips and you're taking your hips and your butt back, okay? That's the key. So here we go. Let's do 10 together. Sit back down and stand and squeeze your glutes. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, keep going. Don't forget, if you don't use it, if you don't squeeze it, you'll lose it. And over time, your muscles will no longer be able to support you when you do these exercises, when you do these movements, I should say, in real life. Come on up, sit back down. We're strengthening our core, our legs, and our glutes. Squeeze, sit back. Squeeze, sit back. Okay, I think that's enough sit to stands for today. And release. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed today's challenge. You can do all of these and more every day. If you stick around to the very end of this video and the next screen, there's going to be a link to another sit to stand video that I made that I love because it will give you more variations, including getting from the floor to standing, something we should all be working on as well. So if you're new to my channel, this is my YouTube channel. I have many, many exercises and challenges and yoga videos that are appropriate if you have low bone density. And if you're new to this channel, you can subscribe. Also, I hope you'll all click the thumbs up button, like this video. I appreciate your likes. And of course, if you're not yet a member of the Strong Bones Challenge, we would love to have you. It's a Facebook group. It's a private group, Strong Bones Challenge Facebook group. Go below this video. You'll see a link where you can click. It'll take you over to Facebook. You can request to join. We'd love to have you. So thanks so much for joining me today. I hope by the end of this month, you've got like tight buns, right? So squeeze it or lose it. I'll see you in the next video.